Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Welcome to the nursery class in California Public School, Kukrana, Moga. And I am your teacher, Mrs. Kirandeep Kaur. And I hope you all are revising your previous work at home. So, students, today we are going to start a new concept, that is a beginning sound. Beginning sound. The first letter of the picture or anything is called the beginning sound. So let's start the work. Today we will learn a sound of beginning sound. A. A sound of beginning sound. See children, what is this? See, this is an apple. What is this? Speak with me. This is an apple. This is an apple. What is the beginning sound of apple? A. A is the beginning sound of apple. A is the beginning sound of apple. Arrow. Arrow. What is this? Arrow. A is the beginning sound of arrow. Children, see which picture is this? Arrow. Arrow. So what is the beginning sound of arrow? A. A is the beginning sound of arrow. See children, which picture is this? An ambulance. Which picture? An ambulance. This is an ambulance. A is the beginning sound of ambulance. Can you tell me what is the beginning sound of ambulance? A is the beginning sound of ambulance. A is the beginning sound of ambulance. See children, which picture is this? Ant. This is an ant. What is the beginning sound of ant? A is the beginning sound of ant. A is the beginning sound of ant. See again. Ant. Speak with me. Ant. A is the beginning sound of ant. What is this? See children. X. This is an X. What is the beginning sound of X? A is the beginning sound of X. A is the beginning sound of X. Okay children. See children. See again all the pictures. What is this? This is an apple. This is an ambulance. This is an ant. This is an arrow. This is an X. These all the pictures are started with the sound of A. These all the pictures are started with the sound of A. Speak with me. A. A is the beginning sound of all these pictures. So children, hope you all have enjoyed today's class. See you again. Bye bye.